Today we will discuss about Chardham project because it was there in news. As recently Supreme Court allowed the widening of the road connecting this Char pilgrimage sites. Okay. Actually, Center filed this petition in the Supreme Court because there was a lot of allegations or dispute from the environmental people or people who are supporting the environmental protection, because widening of this road will definitely cause a lot of damage to the environment. But considering the security reasons, Supreme Court allowed the widening of the road, which is coming under Chardham project. Actually, this is a 900-kilometer length project. In this project, it will be connecting 4 pilgrimage sites. They are Badrinath, Kedarnath, Gangotri and Yamunotri. All these places are situated in Uttarakhand, and the main advantage of this Chardham project is that it will increase connectivity, and all these roads are all weather in nature. Okay. Actually, this will be developed by Ministry of Road, Transport and Highway. Okay, you have to note that which ministry will be developing this project or which will be carrying out this project. Okay, and the main concern regarding the project was that it will destroy a lot of forest area, so we will be losing a lot of vegetation, in turn causing biodiversity loss. That was the major concern regarding this particular project. But considering the security, as it is situated in the Indo-China border, and China is developing a lot of infrastructure in the other side of border, it was necessary for India to increase the connectivity to this area, as automatically connectivity in this area will connect the army camp situated in the border area. Okay, so considering that security reasons, Supreme Court allowed to broaden this roadways. Okay, so if you are looking at the advantages in total, we can see that first advantage is that it will increase connectivity. So it will be easy for the people to reach this area, as this is a tourism place. Okay, so the connectivity will increase, and it's a all weather kind of road, so definitely there will be a stability for the road, thus it will increase tourism. Increase means there will be a boost in the economy, as it will help the people who are living in that area to get some income. Okay, so increase tourism and also it will boost economy. And another important advantage is that it will connect with army camps, because all these roads are passing through the border areas, and at the border area we have army camp situated. So if any things or materials or men has to be transported to the army camps, they also can use these well laid roads for the transportation. Okay, so both transportation of men as well as material like defense equipments, they can easily transport into these army camps using this road. So as China is already increasing their infrastructure on the other side of this border, we also should consider this kind of road development in the Indian side. Okay, so in that military side also it will be helpful for India. Okay, so what happened now is that, considering the security reasons, Supreme Court has allowed widening of the road. So as this was there in the news, we have to know where these places are situated. I told you that this is in Uttarakhand, and which all are the pilgrimage sites which are included in this Chardham project. They are Badrinath, Kedarnath, Gangotri and Yamunotri. Okay, so keep all these points in mind. Thank you.